Tech Data and Microsoft offer the Enterprise Mobility Suite as an integrated suite of products that enables companies to easily manage secure access to corporate resources while protecting corporate information on all devices. Welcome to this session about Azure Rights Management, where we will look at sharing protected documents. RMS stands for Rights Management Services and enables you to secure data and email so confidential and sensitive information is protected and only available to people you want to have access to it. Documents can be tracked for usage and instantly revoked if needed. I start by creating an email message to my colleague Peter. So I start my Outlook application on my desktop computer and create a new email message. Previously, I installed the Microsoft Rights Management Sharing application for Windows, available as a free download from Microsoft, which adds a new button in the toolbar for Office. I add an attachment to the email and I want to write protect the information inside the attachment using RMS. I click the Share Protected button in the ribbon. Peter is my intended recipient and I will encrypt and protect the attachment using a pre-configured template I created in Azure RMS. I only have to click Send Now and my message is encrypted and sent to Peter. Now Peter opens the document from his mobile device. Once the Word document opens, a yellow bar is displayed just below the ribbon, showing this is a protected file. When I click Permissions, I can see what my permissions to the document are. I click Done, and when I try to copy contents from the document, the copy option is not available because it is prohibited. When I click the File icon in the top left, I see that all options are grayed out, so only allowing me to read the contents of this document as intended. To show how an RMS template looks like, I log into the Windows Azure portal as an administrator. I click Active Directory in the left pane and then click Rights Management. I click the company name and see the two predefined templates and my custom template. I click the RMS Demo Custom template to look at the properties. This template has two users defined who are granted access to documents that are protected with this template. The users have certain permissions on the documents like co-owner, viewer or custom permissions. The scope states which users will be able to use this template and apply it to documents. By default, everyone is granted. In the Configure section, I publish this template to be available. I can set content expiration to documents and configure how documents are handled during offline use. So as you see, not much to configure and easy to set up and use. To be able to track usage of the documents encrypted and shared with RMS, you can follow these documents online. On portal.azurerms.com, all shared documents are available to check. I start Outlook and open the confirmation email I received when I shared the rights protected document with Peter. On the portal, you see the document name, the number of views, denied access account, and last activity. Click on the views to see who has viewed the document. Furthermore, there's a timeline view to see what activities have been going on in the past to the document. There's a map to follow the document even around the world and see where attempts to access the document have been executed. On the settings page, there is an option to be notified of access attempts. And at the bottom we have the option to instantly revoke access to the documents, for example, when security or validity of the document gives a reason for that. So this concludes the demo for Azure Rights Management Services. I would like to thank you for your attention, and you can find more information on techdata.com or contact your local Tech Data sales representative.